What is happening, guys? We hopping into this video. Something a little different too. It's been a while. Hey. Alright, so the real reason that I don't really drive this car that much is because it's too damn low. Well, I mean, honestly, it's not that it's too low, it's just that Cali's roads are like so trash. On top of that, like, when you have a car that makes pretty much 800 horsepower, why do you really want to drive a car that makes 3? I mean, that's another real reason. Let's go! I think tonight's gonna be the actual first meet that I've ever taken the Z2. I ain't gonna lie though, the Nismo will be buzzing, bro. For a stock car, just wheels, coils, and a hood. Alright guys, we got this orange lighting, so it's making the car look a little weird, but... Alright. See the Z looking fresh over here in the corner. Let's see what happens. Damn, the Green Goblin. And the Taquachi. Bumping Little Baby. The wrong music, dog. Look at that GTR. 2017 facelift. Oh my god, man. TRD. Nismo TRD. Oh, Nismo spoiler. Alright. Man, brought the colors out. Definitely has an app. Man, my boy went crazy on the wrap. It's pretty dope though. Don't see that every day. It's different. Might be paint. Should look good. Oh shit, Nardo with the T's? Man, this lighting is ugly, bro. I got everybody's car looking yellow as shit. Oh, fuck, man. GTR. Oh, you guys know who that is. We run into each other all the time. Looking good, man, on the new wheels. Clean. What's up, bro? Damn, dog. Q looking good. 3.0. Clean. Damn, hella stock. Damn, my boy, your car's camouflage right now with the light. Yellow on yellow. That shit is cam the hell out. My boy got a stage 18 cam. Oh shit, look at this right here. Look at this, guys. They brought the SUVs out. I thought my boy had green rims at first. Sheesh. Okay. That actually looks kind of cool, I ain't gonna lie. Just hitting on that chrome. Alright, Nardo gang. What is that? A Corolla? I don't even know what that is. I think it's a Corolla. I've never seen so many SUVs at a meet. Another one. Oh shit! Damn! Fucking Tome! Very nice. Very clean, sir. R32. Alright then. Mint paint. No door dings. I bet. Yeah, it's getting wild over here. For sure 26s. Them things looking like windmills when you go to Palm Springs. S2K. Straight trade for the Artie right here. Looking good in the satin black. Looking good, my dog. Is that a Kia Stinger fucker? Oh shit, those Kia Stingers. Ew. Static as fuck. Boy pulled the mook off tonight. Alright then, Q looking clean with the Barbin hood. Oh shit, it's Nismo. Damn. Nismo stock is going up right now. That shit worth at least 178,000. How's the slave cylinder doing, my boy? Damn, my boy's ST sound like a S15 low-key. One more time, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Look at that. Sounds pretty good. Low-key sound like my SR. Well, not SR anymore. This is crazy. Got some nice paint on there too. It's like a Nardo purple. Yeah, look at the plates and everything. Official. For sure just imported that. Damn, low-key this shit sound like my vet. Damn, look at that exhaust exit though. That is sick. Damn, my boy landed. You guys remember for the last video? Landed at LAX. Like the damn dog. Feel you. Feel you. Man, pretty clean. Damn, green? Never seen that. Nardo gang right there. The Z06 looking clean. That dark blue. Where's your Tome, sir? Yo, look at the exhaust tips though. Like little hearts on weak. Pretty clean. GT350. Where's your carbon wheels, sir? Started out. Looking good, looking good. Damn. Oh, lamb, boys. That's okay. On the TDs. Clean, clean. Alright, alright. Oh, what is that? Yeah, that shit looks funny. My boy living in 2030. That shit is packed, man. People still pulling up. This lot full, that lot back there full, full. Everything full, man. This meet 8 tonight. We back again. Didn't I just see you yesterday? What up? See? You ain't listening to no Suicide Boys. The Miata bag? Those things are so tiny, bro. It's like, pick it up. Pretty clean. Got the Brom seats in there. I ain't gonna lie. This lighting is like horrible, bro. Makes everything look like horrendous. Damn, guys, this is a first. Look at that. The ops is just chilling. What? Nismo gang? Let me hold those wheels. Yo, so there was a Mustang leaving and the cop dead ass was like, don't crash. Cool ass cop, bro. He's been like complimenting people's cars and shit. Super cool. Well guys, like I said, tonight was kind of a success. It did get shut down eventually, but I think it lasted for like an hour and a half, so that's cool. It works. For once, man, we had a meet that lasted a little bit. They did move to a second location, but it was like down the street, so obviously that one's gonna get shut down too. Only a matter of time, so just took my ass home. But yeah, guys, the Z made it back in one piece. Hit a couple hard dips, but I don't think I bent any wheels or broke anything, so we alright. Like always, guys, appreciate you for tuning in. Drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel. Catch you in the next one.